Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Taylor Kincaid. Thanks for joining us. And Gary, thanks for being with us today.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Let's get right into our question. I was injured and I'm dealing with the insurance company. Should I file a lawsuit?
Yeah, and I think that's a good question because it brings into light the whole process. So you don't generally file a lawsuit first thing. But what you need to do the first thing is let the insurance company, of course, know that you have a case. And then at that point, you need to start gathering things. So sometimes, and the truth is a lot of times, things get resolved before a lawsuit's filed. And we like to give insurance companies that opportunity because if they act in bad faith and don't take it seriously, then they can expose themselves to more coverage. And so there's reasons that the process kind of meanders along a little bit. One of them, frankly, is because the client, my client, would have to treat. I mean, you've got to get to the end of your treatment to know the story you're about to tell. So I tell people all the time, it's like a percolator coffee mug. You know, you can't pour it early. The percolator has to percolate. It's like making soup. It has to be time. And if you're just not time, if it's not time, then it's not going to be good. It's not going to be strong. It's not going to be really the way you want it. So filing a lawsuit is not usually my first thing. Now, there's times when it is, but generally not the first thing we do.
So at what point in the process should we even look into hiring a lawyer?
Well, I think there's some red flags that come up when you should talk about a lawyer. Number one, if you're uncomfortable with the situation or you're not confrontational as a general rule, you know, I kind of am. But so if you don't want to deal with insurance companies, hire a lawyer. The lawyer, you're going to be, generally, it's going to be in your hands how things proceed. You will be, it's a contingency contract. You're not going to be paying the lawyer as you go. So it's all going to depend on results and you being informed and making decisions that you feel comfortable with. So, you know, I would say hire a lawyer early because we add a lot of value. We also take away a lot of the anxiety. And so, you know, it helps you navigate the whole path. And then if you need a lawsuit, to be taken seriously in the pre-lawsuit time, they have to know you will file a lawsuit, you know. So there has to know you're not just a paper tiger standing there with your hand out, right? So I would hire a lawyer because that's the difference we make. They know next step is lawsuit, next step it's going to start to get a little more difficult for them.
And it's nice to have that extra support, right?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks.
And we'll see you all on the next Legal Break.